to Wellness Guide articles, makikita nyo po dun yung link between hydration and exercise. Alright. Sige po, next slide na po tayo. Okay, so bago tayo magsimula, type 1 nga po tayo dito kung sino yung mga nakapag-exercise na after ng ating Christmas dinner or Noche Buena ba tawag doon. So type 1 nga po tayo. Makikita po natin dito yung kinabukasan. Biglang naisip na mag-exercise o mag-walking man lang or mag-zumba or mag-pickleball. Sige nga po. Yun na. Alright. Anyway, so to proceed, sige po, next slide po tayo. So pag sinabi nating hydration, ang una pong pumapasok sa isip natin ay ang water. So ano nga ba to? So una sa lahat, almost 70% of the human body is composed of water at vital resource for human survival. So hindi natin maso-survive without water, no? Kaya po natin hindi kumain ng mga ilang araw sa siguro mga ilan-ilan sa atin. Mabubuhay tayo ng hindi tayo mabubuhay ng walang tubig. And then it regulates our body temperature. So kapag nilalamig tayo, kailangan nating uminom ng warm na water at pagka gusto naman natin ng pagka nainitan naman tayo. So we need to drink cold water naman. So it regulates our body temperature. Essential in digestion, excretion, and many other body functions. Alright, so ito, alam na natin to lahat, no? As a general rule, it is recommended to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. And a common reminder po, no? So drink more when we engage in physical activities as we tend to sweat, pinagpapawisan, and lose body fluids. Pero today, we're going to back about yung conflicting advice and meron pa rin ako confused regarding hydration or yung tinatawag na sports hydration. And pag-usapan natin yung mga myths and facts about it. Alright, una sa lahat, ang unang myth is one must drink a fixed amount of water during exercise. Ang katotohanan po dito is there is no one-size-fits-all formula when it comes to hydration. So generally, we should aim for at least 600 ml per hour and then adjust to our needs. So quick tip lang po, no? So una sa lahat, you need to listen to your body po, no? When you exercise. So may mga signs naman yan. So kapag nakaramdam kayo ng pununuyot ng lalamunan or ng labi, sinyalis na po yan na kailangan ng tubig ng ating katawan to proceed with our sports activity. Alright? At ang pangalawa naman sa myth, a sports drink is necessary for hydration during exercise. So ang katotohanan po niyan is someone working out very casually for an hour can simply have water. So hindi kailangan ng sports drink. So kahit simpleng tubig lang is sapat na po yun. So pero for longer workouts, we may consume 30 to 60 grams of carbohydrates per hour to help maintain blood glucose levels and sustain exercise performance. Alright, pangatlo naman is sports drinks are healthy. So, ang katotohanan po dyan is sports drinks can help boost performance for high intensity and or for sustained durations. However, we do not need a sports drink if you are not into sports. So, hindi po natin kailangan ng mga sports drinks kapag hindi po tayo mag-engage sa isang exercise, no? Or sports. So, sabi nga ni Dr. Heiss, if you are drinking either without doing any exercise, it is probably inappropriate. All right, and next is all sports drinks are the same. So, ang katotohanan po dyan is there are subtle differences between different brands. So, ang quick tip ko po dyan is always check yung label sa mga pipiliin po nating sports drink. Number one po nating isipin na wag po tayo pipili ng sports drinks na mataas sa sugar. So, very common to dito sa atin no, sa Pilipinas no, yung sport drink na nag-start sa letter G, hindi ko na po babanggitin. It has between 30 to 35 grams of sugar. So, imagine niyo nag-exercise kayo, ganun kataas sa sugar din yung ini-intake nyo, no? So it will affect your performance during your exercise. So ako po yung matagal nang tumigil sa pag-take po noon. Simula po nung nakapag-take po ako ng Herbalife products, no? Alright, so dito po sa nakikita nyo, ah, mukhang familiar naman tayo lahat, si CR7, siya po si Cristiano Ronaldo. So bigyan ko muna po kayo ng quick tip, no, or fun fact about Cristiano Ronaldo. So he's one of the most decorated footballers ever, winning leagues titles in England, Spain, and Italy. So he holds the records for most goals in international men's football. Famous for his extreme fitness and discipline. So he trains even on rest days. So at isa pa sa nalaman ko sa kanya, very strict siya sa nutrition and hydration, which is why he partners with sport nutrition brand. Ito po yon, yung Herbalife. At isa sa mga nagustuhan ko po sa kanya is he's very family-oriented and often shares moments with his kids off the field. So imagine niyo sobrang busy tao pero meron siyang time para sa pamilya niya, sa mga anak niya. And he shares yung value nung Herbalife, no? Lalo na sa anak niya. So, meron ako nakitang documentary about him. Sobrang natuwa ako kasi nakita ko yung F1 shake na tinitimpla niya, no? Sa harapan ng anak niya. And he always share that yung moment na yung proper nutrition, hindi lang para sa kanya, kundi para sa buong pamilya niya. Alright, so yung nakikita nyo ngayon dyan, ito po yung available sa US, so wala pa sa atin to. Pero ito po yung tinatawag na Herbalife 24CR7 Drive. It's a sports drink specially developed with Cristiano Ronaldo so to support performance during moderate to intense exercise. So it provides enhanced hydration through electrolytes, sustained energy from carbohydrates, and metabolism supporting vitamin B12. So while being lower in sugar and free from artificial flavors and sweeteners. So light tasting and easy to digest. So it helps replace electrolytes lost through sweat and delivers energy to support endurance and recovery. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala, no? Meron akong bibigay na tip alternative since hindi pa to available sa atin. Alright, sa next slide. So sabi dito, hydration, experts recommend drinking roughly 11 cups of water per day for the average woman and 16 cups of water per day for men. So not all of those cups have to come in plain water. So some can come from water flavored with fruit or vegetables. Mm, Alam na natin to, yung lemon, berries, orange, or cucumber slices, coffee, and tea. Alright, so ito na yung sinasabi ko kanina no, na quick tip ko para sa inyo at kadalasan ko rin pong ginagamit before I engage to sa mga sports or exercise. Before, during, and after, lagi po akong may herbal aloe concentrate. Especially sa mga taong mahilig sa mga flavored drinks, ito po yung napakagandang alternative po sa atin. So, it keeps you refreshed. Imagine niyo 0 to 2 calories per serving. It supports digestive system and it has a premium quality of aloe vera concentrate. Alright, and then syempre para ma-achieve po natin yung katulad nung ginagamit ni CR7, pwede rin nyo pong i-take itong mineral herbal complex because it supports electrolyte balance, balanced pH level. So it has magnesium, sodium, calcium. Ito po yung mga kailangan ng mga muscle natin para iwas cramps po tayo during and after ng ating exercise. So napaka-perfect po nito to take with F1 shake, yung nabanggit kong aloe concentrate, at syempre yung herbal tea concentrate. So, isa pa yun, ay dadagdag ko lang din yung herbal tea concentrate. So, isa rin yan sa mga energy boosting ko before I go to sa basketball or sa exercise, no? So yung aloe tea, this one yung mineral herbal complex at syempre yung NRG, no? Yan, ko-complete talaga sa atin yan para ma-achieve po natin yung gusto nating makuha um dun sa pag-engage natin sa sports. Alright? At syempre, saan lang ba natin yan makukuha? Dito lang po, no? I'm so proud to say that we are number one in the world in meal replacement and protein supplements combined, weight management and well-being, and active and lifestyle nutrition. Alright, syempre, sabay-sabay po natin. Wala pa rin pagbabago. I'm so proud na I'm using the product for more than 5 years now at hindi na po ako titigil, no? So, say yes to good nutrition. At dahil dyan, nakakadagdag po nakaka-boost ng confidence, no? Kapag nakikipag-usap ako sa tao, alam niyo kung bakit? Dahil lagi ko pong pinapakita itong seal of product quality. So, we have this super brand Philippines awarded or we are recognized by the super brand in the Philippines. All right, so I think dito na po magtatapos ang aking special topic for this holiday season. So maraming salamat po at naway meron po tayong lahat natutunan. And syempre, ibabalik ko na po sa aking napakagandang Mrs. Coach Rivas.